wondering how to become a business data analyst? Stay tuned for a step-by-step approach. This video is brought to you by Techcanvass. Techcanvass is an IIBA Endorsed education provider and PMI Authorized training partner. Through them, we offer business analysis and project management certification programs. We also provide domain, analytics, and agile training courses. Now, the first step in becoming a business data analyst is to understand what business data analytics is, how it is used in organizations, the role of a business data analyst, and the need and demand in the market. So, what is business data analytics? I will address these topics briefly here, but you can check out detailed videos on these topics on our YouTube channel. So, in the simplest terms, business data analytics aims to turn business data into meaningful insights for innovative business decisions. Data scientists use different statistical and machine learning models to do this. A unique example is Netflix avoiding an estimated loss of $1 billion because of customer churn using their analytics genius, the recommendation system. The New Age business analyst, also known as business data analyst, understands the big picture and the business context, is a visionary and sets a vision about the breadth and width of the analytics initiative. It is a business domain expert with data analysis knowledge who collaborates with technical and non-technical stakeholders, works as an advisor to the data scientists by guiding their analysis with business expertise, uses visualizations and storytelling to engage decision makers and drive a data-driven culture, manages all the changes suggested by the analytical insights in the organization. Basically, a business data analyst is responsible for end-to-end analytics projects. Now, the need and demand. So, the worldwide spending has increased by almost 10% from 2020, as stated by International Data Corporation, IDC. IIBA conducted a survey this summer and 300 executives from different industries and geographies participated. The outcome stated that 75% of executives believe that organizations need to be data-driven, and high performers are using business data analysis professionals 93% more often. I recommend downloading the summary report of this survey from IIBA's website. It has a lot of information. Now, to perform well in this role, you need a specific skill set. Here is a list of the primary technical skills required, and there can be other skills required as well depending on the job requirement. So you need to know Excel and SQL to guide data understanding, analysis and exploration, basic statistics to summarize business data and infer insights, EDA or exploratory data analysis to understand the characteristics of the data you're trying to analyze, ETL and data management, so using business expertise to extract and transform data for meaningful analysis. You need to have a basic knowledge of machine learning algorithms and suggest models based on business requirements. And finally, business visualization and storytelling to communicate your data insights visually to different stakeholders. Now, upskilling isn't just about staying up to date in technical skills, right? Skills related to leadership, teamwork, communication, productivity, collaboration, influencing are critical for the dynamic role of a business data analyst. These are nothing but the power skills. Also, analytical skills like problem solving, conceptual thinking, decision making, creative thinking are very, very important. You need to conduct a skill gap analysis. So what skills you can carry forward to the business data analyst profile and what skills you need to learn. Once you know what you need to learn, you need to understand how you can demonstrate these skills to an employer and how much time do you need to invest in learning these skills. And lastly, it is also essential to evaluate the motivation behind taking up this role. This motivation will be your anchor in times of doubt and uncertainty you might feel while pursuing any new path. With a clear understanding of what skills you need, you must decide the learning path you are comfortable with. Some people prefer self-learning while some prefer formal training. If you choose the self-learning path, you need discipline and time to reach the goal. And with formal training, you need to choose the program carefully. Check if the program aligns with your goal, the learning method, and what material is being provided. Consistently work till you reach your goal. Don't let doubt destroy your confidence. Don't give up. Now, if you don't have any experience working with data, how will you show your skills? An effective way is creating a project portfolio. Pick up a free data set from the internet and try exploratory data analysis, data visualization to derive meaningful insights. Another meaningful way is considering formal certifications. Now, why certifications? So, a certification is a formal way of upskilling and understanding the best practices or standard processes. Certification from a reputed organization allows you to get shortlisted for an interview. It gives confidence to the employers that this candidate genuinely has the mentioned skills. And it gives you a purpose, a formal goal to achieve instead of just working on skill development. Certification will not guarantee a job, but it guarantees you an opportunity to showcase your skills and expertise. IIBA's certification in Business Data Analytics, CBDA, recognizes your ability to execute business analytics-related work efficiently. Prepare an action plan of how you decide to learn the skills, and not just learn but practice and develop them. If you're targeting certifications, prepare and practice accordingly. Network and talk to people already working in the business data analytics role. Use resources wisely and research well about the companies you want to interview for. Now comes the stage where you want to showcase your skills in the resume and give your potential employer a feel of your experience and skills. Definitely, your resume should contain keywords related to the job description. A project portfolio and certification will add tremendous value to your resume and make it stand out. We have many valuable resources to help you in your journey. Our CBDA certification training program is designed by highly skilled and experienced professionals, equipping you to get certified in the first attempt. Gain proficiency in working end-to-end on business data analytics projects. So we have 4 full-length tests with 500 plus mock scenario-based questions, detailed analysis of the IIBA case studies, drills, puzzles, and flashcards, along with a study plan, cheat sheets, and mind maps for your preparation. Many professionals have cleared the CBDA exam using these resources. You can check out their testimonials on our website and their interviews on our LinkedIn page. Check out our YouTube channel, LinkedIn page, and blog for some amazing resources. We wish you all the very best and thank you so much for joining us.